To program a formula on your Ramco washing machine, press the Auto button. A list of 87 programmable slots will appear. Choose and highlight a slot to program by using your up and down keys. Program 1 will be used for this demonstration. Press Edit and enter your password. Press the return arrow on the bottom right. The first page will show Program 1, Step 1. This is where the wash time, water level, and tank temperature are set. Make sure the load button at the bottom is highlighted and press the clock button to set the wash time. One press will highlight the hour, press again for the minutes, and once again for the seconds. Press the plus and minus buttons at the bottom to change the time. Once the time is set, press the clock button to exit out of the settings. Press the level button to set the water levels. This is high level, medium level, and low level. Press the button of your choosing and press the level button again to exit out of level settings. Press the thermometer button to set the water temperature. This number indicates the current temperature, and this one indicates the desired temperature range. Use the plus and minus buttons to change the temperature to the desired settings and press the thermometer button again to exit. At this point, the time levels and temperature have been set. Press the wash button. Choose between soft and standard washing cycle. For this formula, standard wash is chosen. This is the low extract, high extract, drain 1 and drain 2. Your choices are displayed here. Press the supply button, choose which supply is to be used. This is the cold water, recycled water, hot water, and steam. This is supply 1, 2, 3, 4, and this button scrolls to the next page for additional supplies. Press the supply button again to return to the previous page. For this tutorial, supplies 1 and 2 are going to be used for bleach and detergent. The supply pop-up window time is defaulted to 30 seconds, but can be changed. The bottom of the screen shows what has been programmed for Step 1. Press the Edit button and the Next Step button to continue. In this case, Program 1, Step 2. Continue setting up the formula from your chemical supply company for each step until complete. Most chemical companies typically have between 8 and 10 steps. Once all of the steps have been programmed, press the Previous Step button to make sure nothing else is programmed after the last step. If there is another step, press the X button to delete unwanted steps, then press the Next Step button to get back to the last programmed step. Press the Exit button and press Yes to save. To change the description of this formula, press Yes. Using the keypad to the right, press the Delete button until the description name slot is empty. This box shows uppercase lettering, lowercase lettering, and special characters. Press the bottom arrow button to switch between the 3 options. The letters are shown on these buttons. Press the button with the desired letter or number and use the arrows at the top to choose the correct one. To choose a special character or space, press the bottom arrow until special characters come up. This is where you can find any special character needed for the description. In this case, a space is needed, so 0 is pressed. Press OK, and this creates a space between letters or words. Press the bottom arrow again to get back to the lettering and numbers. Once the description is complete, press Exit and Yes to save. Now the description for the new program has been added. To make sure all the steps are correct for the program, press the Browse button on the right. The time, level, temperature, and settings are shown for each step here. Scroll down to see all the steps. Press Exit to leave the browser. If a mistake has been spotted, press Edit, scroll to that step, and correct the mistake. You have completed all of the steps to program your Ramco washing machine.